You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.
Welcome back to Microsoft Teams Beginner Series. Today we are diving into one of the most essential part of Microsoft Teams, that is running and joining meetings. From scheduling and joining to using in-meeting tools and features, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to make your meetings smooth, organized, and more productive. So let's get started. Now, scheduling a meeting in Teams is super straightforward. You can do it right from the Calendar tab in your team on the left-hand side. Or if you're already using Outlook, you can schedule it from that Outlook dashboard too. Since Teams integrates directly with your Outlook and other M365 apps in that ecosystem, so if you create a meeting on Outlook, you will see it in the Teams. So for that, you just have to pick your time, add the details for your meeting, and invite your participants. And you're all set. You can even make it a recurring meeting if it is a regular check-in, let's say every week or every day. And when it's time to join, here you've got a few options as well. You can click the join link from your calendar or email invitation if it is configured that way. Or you can join directly from your Teams app, either through a pop-up notification, or you will go to the Calendar tab on the left-hand side and click on the meeting and then join. So it doesn't matter if you're on a desktop, a browser, or you are joining from your phone. Joining is simple from every platform. Now, once you are in the meeting, Teams give you a bunch of tools to help you participate effectively. Here, if you don't want anyone to hear you, let's say you're in a loud environment, you can mute yourself. And when it is your time to speak up, you can unmute your microphone. You can even turn your camera on or off. Well, if you want to present something on your laptop or on the desktop you have, you can share your screen too. Either you want to share the whole screen, it is possible, or just a specific application window. It can be done. If you have a question, you can raise your hand virtually. It's just a button, you click on it, and everyone can see that, yes, you raised your hand. Well, these features are there to help everyone stay organized and make the meeting run smoothly and be more effective. Well, what if you need to record a meeting? No problem. You can just hit the record button at any given time, and Teams will save the meeting along with a transcript, if it is enabled though. Now, after the meeting ends, it will take some time, but a link to the recording will appear in the meeting chat. Now, depending on your organizational setting, it will be saved either to Microsoft Stream or OneDrive, which act like a storage or buffer area where your meetings will be saved. Now, this is super handy if someone missed the meeting, or you want to revisit what you said, or if you want to make sure that everyone understands what you are talking about and they must read the transcript line by line. So you can use this feature at that point. Well, you can also create breakout rooms. Here, breakout rooms are a great feature for splitting up larger meetings into smaller discussion groups. As the meeting organizer, let's say you organize the meeting, you can create these rooms, assign participants. Either you can do it manually or automatically. And you can even jump in and out of these rooms to check in on the progress. So think about as a class teacher. So you can create breakout rooms with few students, and then you can go in, check on them, like what are they discussing, and then go out and then get into some other breakout room. Well, it is perfect for workshops, team brainstorming, or group activities in a class settings, as we discussed. Now, there are also a few features in Team that makes meeting even better. The first one is live caption, which can be turned on by you at any time. This is great for higher accessibility or just following along in a noisy environment where you can just read what are they talking about. There is also a chat panel, not a separate chat, a chat panel inside the meeting where you can drop links, notes, or question without interrupting the speaker. If you type anything, everyone will see that. And you can also use the built-in whiteboard for brainstorming sessions, or maybe some visual illustration. Well, these features can make your meeting more interactive and productive. So let's quickly walk through these features in the dashboard.
All right, now let's see how you can set up a meeting and also invite members to that meeting. So for that, you will go to your Teams dashboard and click on Calendar. Here you will click on Meet Now, or you can also set up a meeting in the future dates if you want. But for this demo, I will set up a meeting straight away and invite a member. So click on Meet Now. All right, meeting with me. And now you can just click on Start Meeting. Click on Join Now. And then Add Participants. So here I will search for him. Test user. You can click on Request to Join. Now I'm right away calling this user. So if I go here, this user will get a call. So I will accept it. Right now I'm blocking the microphone access because both users are calling from the same computer. So I don't want any interference. So just block it and join. Here we go. We are connected now. Let me mute it. Yeah, so we are connected. We can again start a team chat, then raise our hands if there are multiple members and you have any question. Well, and it will show up over here as well that this person raised the hand, so maybe this person has some questions. Then you can react to a message or maybe react to any conversation. Then you can also set up your viewpoint. Let's say if you click on the speaker, so whosoever is talking actually will zoom in. But remember, your mic should be working for that. Then you have your together mode. All right, and all the audience will just show up as avatars here. Then there is something called Immersive Space 3D. Again, these are all brand new features. Mostly we just stick to gallery. So you just select your avatar. I'm just going to select this person. Save and continue. Yeah, finish customization. Enter the immersive space right now. And here we go. So this is literally a 3D immersive space which you can navigate with the help of your mouse. Plus, you can also move. So why we need this? I mean, you don't need it technically, but again, if you want a good experience while sharing your thoughts with your team members and you want to see some avatars to get some sort of connection, well, you can do this and navigate with your mouse and keyboard. And the same thing goes for the other person as well. If they don't opt for this option, they will show up as a blank tab on the wall. But if they go for this option, let's say I also click on View, and I don't have this option here because I'm using a web mode. You need to download the application for this as well. Now let me just change it back to Gallery, which is by default used by everyone. Then let's say there are multiple members here and you want to discuss something with a specific user or member. Well, you can create breakout rooms as well. Okay. Plus, you can also add application, which can be accessed by all the members in the chat. Then you can record and transcribe this meeting. This is very useful if someone is giving critical details and you don't want to miss any. So you can click on it. Then here you will see the meeting information. Then you can change your video effect and settings. That simply means maybe you want a blur background or maybe you want a professional background. You can go for that. Or maybe you want your own avatar. Then you have your audio settings where you can change your mic source. You can change your speaker source. Then you have your language and speech. Here you can see live captions, and it can also translate it in a different language. Plus, these are your settings for your meeting. And let's say you want to end the meeting. Well, if you click on Leave, the meeting will not end. The meeting will still go on. If you want to end it, you have to click on End Meeting. If you do that, all the members will be dropped immediately. Now, let's say on 16th, you want to create a meeting and send invitation. Well, this is not a live meeting then. So you click on the date, then click on this drop-down menu button in front of New Event and click on Channel Meeting. Demo, then you add your attendees. We can also do that later. So the date is all good. Channel, you can add description if you want. Once you're okay with it, click on Save. All right. I think I created here. I should have created on 16th, but it's okay. Now this is your meeting. You can either join it or send the link to your other attendees as well. So I will just copy the join link and send it to the person I want in my meeting. Perfect. And here I got the invitation. So I can just click on it. Again, I'm continuing without audio and video. That's fine. And click on Join Now. And at the right time, when I also join the meeting, we both will connect. So we are connected. Here I can just leave. But as the creator of this meeting, and also the admin, I can also end this meeting. So that's how easy it is to create a meeting and then join it and also collaborate while you're in the meeting. You can also share files and folders. You can also create breakout rooms if you want to discuss something privately. Plus, you can have nice backgrounds. You can create your immersive 3D environment for a better experience and so much more.
And that's it for this video. Now you know how to schedule a meeting, join it, and manage that meeting in Microsoft Teams. In the next video, we will look at collaborating with files and application inside Teams. Another powerful part of this platform that can really streamline your workflow. Well, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe our channel, and stay tuned for more Teams videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.